Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's February 23rd, 2012, a Thursday morning, and grain markets overnight were extremely quiet. Very narrow ranges. Corn, 2 to 2.5 cent trading range, which is probably the narrowest range that we've seen in many, many months. The outside markets focusing again on the Greece situation. We had kind of a quiet day yesterday, but coming back into the news and the headlines again, Greece moves to quickly enact the laws that are required so they can get this bailout money. Also, Germany had some economic data come out that was supportive, showed a stronger economy there. Fitch did downgrade the Greece debt from CCC down to C, so not a good sign in that respect. But the dollar is weaker here this morning, down 20-30 cents. If you look at the dollar from a technical perspective, we're in a trading range, and we're at the lower end of that trading range right now, so it's key to find some support there. The oil market continues strong. Syria it continues to be a hot spot. Iran continuing to talk, continuing to move some ships around, some battleships around, so that creates concern and creates the support for crude oil prices. In the grain market, the focus there will be all eyes on Washington. The USDA Outlook Forum begins today, runs through tomorrow. A lot of comments and a lot of general outlooks today. The USDA will give us their outlook on planted acres and production and ending stocks tomorrow. They will release their presentation at 8 o'clock Central Time. Their speech actually begins at 9 o'clock, I believe, Central Time. So we'll have some numbers there, but as we get closer to that time period, there's a lot of spread adjusting, and that's what we're seeing in the grain markets here the last few days. Even overnight, we had corn a little bit weaker, soybeans a little stronger, wheat down a little bit, as it's anticipated that we'll see larger corn acres planted this coming year, less soybean acres. We'll see tighter stocks in the soybeans as the world supply continues to tighten because of South American crops, and expecting that to come out of the USDA. The only reminder that I have for you there is when all this anticipation comes out, even if it comes out as the trade expects, don't be surprised if we get some kind of an adjustment in that, as some profit taking here before the weekend. So expect a pretty volatile day tomorrow. Expect some quieter action here the day as trade adjusts before that USDA report. In the livestock markets, the news there is finally the cutout values in beef have strengthened. We have choice up 273, select up 148. Choice beef cutout values hit record highs yesterday at 196.88. The previous high was 196.23. So we're seeing some strength there. The benefit is coming, though, from the reduction in production at the packing plants. The packing margins continue to be very much in the red. They're trying to improve those margins and trying to find some support there. We did have USDA's cold storage numbers out yesterday, showed that we've increased the amount of beef in storage and the amount of pork. So not a good sign there with these high prices. It means we're not moving it, and a little bit concerning and causing some retracement here in the futures markets overnight. Cattle are down 20-30 cents, hogs 20 to 50 lower. A little bit of retracement after the strong moves that we've seen here yesterday. So expect some choppy trade here today, and a very quiet trade in the grain markets. Livestock markets are going to be watching the outside, especially the stock indexes. If the stock market continues to strengthen, would expect to see more strength develop in the livestock futures here today. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll try to answer any questions you've got. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. Also, last reminder, I will be out tomorrow. Steve Georgie will be bringing you the early morning coffee, and we'll be traveling to Carrington, North Dakota. Anybody in the area, please stop in and see us in Carrington. And we wish everybody a very successful trading day. And I'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.